we're gonna do a thing. So a lot of you guys know, when at work, I dress like a hobo. Look at that. But always, it's a matching hobo, as you guys know. XRP Army, throw the X up. Today, we're gonna throw the drill up. We have a bored ape. His name is Ronald. He does smoke cigarettes, so be careful, ladies and gentlemen. You guys can see we got this 6 foot tall statue, I believe. It's gonna be taller than me, I think. So we gotta see what's going on. We've got 1 screw left in. That's right, when you're a big star, your people come in and pre-screw. You ever been pre-screwed? Here we go. Well, a lot of people don't know, I used to do construction. Okay, here we go. Guys, check it out. Time to see what you get. Look at there! What is that?
I'm ready to host, boss.
That's the wrong freaking box.
I'm ready to host, boss.
Yeah, it's rewind time. Oh.
We're gonna do a thing. God, this kind of feels like a, what is that thing called that you go in when you're dead?
Coffin?
Yeah, kind of has a coffin feel to it. Here we go, you ready? Oh, there's a junk! Look at this guy! Look at this guy! Oh my gosh!
That's kind of creepy.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. This is something.
It's got a granite base too.
Decker! We're in the middle of a video right now.
It's a granite base. It's pretty cool.
It's a granite base.
I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of creepy.
Yeah, oh my gosh, this is hot. Now, where's the base at?
It's in that one over there.
Oh, we gotta get that guy out. Let's see how
Yeah.
heavy he is. Okay, here we go.
Careful, don't break it.
Shake it, don't break it. Okay, let's see this monkey here. Okay. All right, where's he gonna sit down at? This friggin' monkey is taller than me. This is a big problem. Now, for a monkey, he is very clearly large when compared to an American. The average male American is 5'9". I am 5'10" and a half, no big deal. Some people call it 5'11". It's just that Leonardo DiCaprio. Put your arms out! Put your arms out! Listen here, Kate Blanchett. This is my bored ape. His name is Ronald. Look, I'm not saying this to Desi to make her jealous, but no, got a robot monkey. Robot girlfriend, your time may be up. There we go. Got some earrings. You know, back in the 80s, they used to say some things about guys that wore 1 earring in the right ear. I don't know if they say that anymore. Look at this stubble. Aaron, could you lean in for a kiss?
I think you should do, not me.
No, I'm not kissing my own monkey. That's weird.
I'm not kissing.
Someone else's monkey? May consider it. I'm not kissing my own monkey. That's strange. His eyes are a little red from working at McDonald's for so long, obviously. They call that a contact eye. What do y'all think about my new monkey?
I feel like you should put it in the Lambo, then go through the drive-thru at McDonald's with it.
That would be hilarious. Put your arms out! Put your arms out! We're slow dancing. Don't judge us. Good game, Ronald.
Where does this video end?
Oh, there's Jada. Look, there's Jada. Let's go say hey to Jada real quick. Hey, Jada.
Dude, this is sick.
What do you think? Whoa, she's immediately touching the waist too.
No, I was moving.
So did I.
I mean, I feel like that's the appropriate spot to grab it. So it doesn't stand on its own, right? Do you own this one?
I do. Yeah, this is mine. This is Ronald.
He's taller than you.
Oh! Shut up, Jada. Shut up. Oh, where's the cigarette? Guys, smoking is dangerous. You should only do it if you're above 18 years old. Kind of like playing a stake. Visit bitboycrypto.com/stake if you want to do something extremely dangerous with crypto. It's like cigarette smoking, except you can do it with crypto. Thank you to our sponsor, Stake. All right, guys, well, we had a problem. The cigarette smoke is broke, and the cigarette is also broken. But good news, the cigarette smoke was not included in the NFT, only the cigarette. So, you know, in basketball, if you get fouled, you say the ball don't lie. You shoot it, and if you make it, it was a foul. If you miss it, you're lying. You say with a cigarette, it don't lie. When it comes to that smoke, it don't lie. The smoke was added. That was not the real NFT. Real NFT is no smoke. That's why we broke it. Thanks. Hey guys, this has been a fun video. This is my statue. Let's put him on the set. BitBoy out.